Have you ever stood next to a rock that is 3 billion years old? Or looked over a massive modern city from a watchtower that marked its ancient borders? Today, Food Travel and DIY takes you to the Lalbagh Botanical Garden. We are starting our journey right here at the East Gate. Looking at the map, this place is absolutely massive. Out there in the distance, you can spot the famous Kempagowda pillar, but we have a long trail of hidden gems and ancient history to uncover before we reach it. Our first stop is the peaceful Japanese bonsai park. Fun fact, the art of bonsai dates back over 1,000 years, creating perfect miniature representations of nature. Walking through the park, the sheer scale of the greenery is breathtaking. We make our way to the iconic glass house. It was closed today. This stunning structure was built in 1890 and was actually modelled after London's Crystal Palace. But the history here goes way further back than the 1890s. Look at this massive fossil tree. Next, we wandered into the vibrant Marigowda Rose Garden. It's a stunning, peaceful place until you see this. A warning about snakes in the grass. Seeing a sign like this reminds me how wild and unpredictable nature is, even in the heart of a bustling modern city like Bangalore. Sharing these raw, unfiltered moments with you is exactly why I started this channel. If you love exploring the beautiful and unpredictable corners of the world with me, please hit that subscribe button right now. We are a small community of 185 animal and nature lovers, and your support means the absolute world to me. Moving away from the tall grass, we reach the Lalbagh Lake. The panoramic view of the water, the central fountain, and the peaceful flow of the waterfall is the ultimate escape from city life. We even spend some time by the pigeon coop. Fun fact, the massive water body creates a microclimate that supports dozens of local bird species right in the city center. Now prepare to have your mind blown. This is the peninsular gneiss stone. Fun fact, this isn't just a rock. It's an archean rock estimated to be about 3 billion years old. You're looking at one of the oldest exposed rock formations on the planet Earth. Finally, we climb what we've been waiting for. Here is a close-up of the Kempagowda watchtower. This was built in the 16th century by Kempagowda II to mark the original southern boundary of Bangalore. Standing here today, looking at this stunning panoramic view of modern Bangalore from this ancient vantage point, you realize how beautifully history and progress live side by side. It is breathtaking. If this view moved you as much as it did me, subscribe to Food Travel and DIY, drop a like and let me know in the comments where we should travel next. Peace.